the ostrich. Is it on?
Okay.
Mikey, you want to feed the ostrich?
Yeah.
Yes? Come with me and hold the... Uh-oh, they're all watching.
They're ready
We're
to
gonna
move.
have to go cut. And feed them right here. No, feed them over here.
Take Mikey with you.
Oh boy, they want this food. Mikey, you want to feed them? They're gonna bite you.
Mike, stop,
Okay,
stop.
right in here. Hold on tight. Can you see it? Look at him go. Go up there, right?
I'm not going up
Go
there.
up and then
No, are you kidding me?
Go up there, that way you can see them feed.
No.
Good ostrich. Good ostrich. Good job. Okay. Eat some more. Go. Eat, eat, eat. Keep eating. Alright, time out, time out, time out. There's more. Don't worry. We're gonna have more.
He
Man,
told
they
me
can
to
eat,
go
huh?
out there. Are you kidding me?
My goodness, what's right there?
No, heck no.
Alright, again, one more time. From the top. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
They're just jumping down. Alright, that's it. That's it for today. Thank you. Look at those legs. Damn. They can really... No? No more. I'm sorry.
Aw,
Next time?
you're mean.
You want some? No more. I'm sorry.
Mikey, want to try it, Mikey?
Oh, there's more. A little bit more. No, no more. Sorry. I'll just dump it, okay?
No.
Go this way. Go this way. Would you like to have one for a pet, Mikey? You want to take one home? We'll keep it in the backyard.
Are you done
And
yet?
they can eat.
Mom, this is
Feel